Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do tree support in PrusaSlicer. So yeah, this is basically what you see right here on screen right now. So yeah, let's do that. Now what we are going to do first is look at the top right corner of your screen and click here where you see beginner mode and put in expert mode. Now, next thing is we go here to the left side at the top to the print settings tab, and then right here in this left menu we will select support material like that. Now what we are going to do, we will go to generate support material. So um, we have it right over here. Uh, So what we need to do is head over here to the options for support material and Raft, and here in style we have few options. So we have grid, snug, organic. This organic is basically creates a tree support. So select that one, and then what else we have here is we can make tree supports perfect. So if you want your tree supports to print safely without failing, check these three settings on the same support material, which is max bridge length. So down here we have some few options. So branch diameter, uh, this is here, so we can set this around 10 millimeters. This controls how far a branch can stretch horizontally to reach your model. So let's say 10. Then we have branch diameter. Also we can set angle. Uh, Sorry, right here we have a branch diameter needs to be between 2 millimeters or 3 millimeters. So this will control how thick the tree trunk branches are. If they keep breaking mid-print, you will raise this number slightly. What I mentioned at the beginning is max bridge length. So we need to, and also what we can adjust is branch density. So we can keep this between 50%, 15% and 30%. Then higher numbers create more tiny branch tips to hold up complex details. So yeah, we can do that, right? So, and yeah, I think this is pretty much it that what we can do here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.